let's talk about the parasite that becomes a usable tongue, as well as the stuff of nightmares. The tiny Cymothoa exigua, or tongue-eating louse, starts its life floating around in the water, then, if it's lucky, enters its victim through the gills. Once inside, the female latches onto the base of the fish's tongue, while the male attaches just behind her near the gills, very close at hand to make some tongue-replacing babies. Going back to the female, through her front claws, she sucks the fish's blood, which causes the tongue to die and drop off. She will then reattach, this time to the tongue stub, effectively becoming its replacement. From here, the fish can and will use the parasite as if it were its natural tongue, and seemingly, other than losing a tongue, the infected fish do not seem to suffer any from the infestation. And if you're wondering what happens if no female is present in the fish mouth, nature finds a way again, with an extra male hanging about near the gills, simply changing sex from male to female, crawling up to the tongue and doing its thing there until it's the tongue now. There's one bright spot in this nightmare fodder. It is that the creature does not eat human tongues, is not poisonous, and can at worst only hurt you a little bit if you handle it in your hands and it decides to bite you.